this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly protect a page or a post with a simple product in WooCommerce. Um, the previous video showed you how to install, the Pay for Post plugin and get it all set up correctly. So this video is just going into more detail on how to specifically create a product, associate it with a page, and see that the protection is enabled. All right, so let's begin. I have my default install of basically WordPress. When I go to my dashboard, I'm going to go to my plugins. You'll see I use the Classic Editor plugin. Here we have our Pay for Post plugin, and we have WooCommerce. Again, I'm just going through the free features right now, even though I do have the premium plugin enabled. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to create a product. So you can go to products. You'll see I don't have any products. I'm going to create a new one, my simple product. I'm going to create it. It's going to be a virtual product. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it a price of $1. And you can, again, this is standard WooCommerce. So you can just go and add a featured image, product short description, and now I'm going to publish this product. I'm just going to take a look at it just to see. Okay, this is my simple product. It's a short description, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard now. Second thing, I'm going to create the page or the post that I want protected. So I'm going to go to pages. Let's see. This is a protected page. This content cannot be viewed unless you purchase the correct product. All right, so what I'm going to do, it's going to publish it right now, so that way we can just see the page. Okay, so I'm going to go back, and you can do this all at once. You don't have to do it in separate things and save each time. But as we scroll down, we're going to see this meta box, Pay for Post with WooCommerce. Now, the free version allows you to select a product. So once you click it, you can start typing. And since I only have one product, I'm going to see it here, my simple product. I'm going to do that. And with the free version, that's pretty much all you can do. These will be all grayed out. The delay restriction, page view, expiration, and the other options will all be grayed out. Because you'll have to upgrade, to the premium version to use these features. So for this one, I'm just going to, simply associate my product, with it. And now I'm going to update it. When I click view, you're going to immediately see, oops, this is restricted content. You need to purchase my simple product. This content right here actually comes from the main settings page under Pay for Post. You'll see here's my oops, the restricted content. We're sorry, blah, blah, blah. And you can change this to do whatever you want. Snap, restricted content. I go down to the bottom of the page, I click save. And if I go back and I go to look at my protected page that I created, this is a protected page again. Oh, snap, it's restricted content. All right, so what I'm going to do, I want to add it to my cart, view the cart. Yep, that looks good. I'm going to go to proceed to checkout. All right. And let's just see, met, test. 1, 2, 3, Test Street, Testville, 210, 0, 444. All right. I don't have any payment methods, set up. So once I place my order, all right, I assumed that I could still place that, but real quick, I'm going to go into WooCommerce, settings, payments. For right now, I'm just going to enable, check payments, so then I click save. Now I can go back to the site. I'm going to go back to my cart. Then we're going to proceed to checkout. Okay, now we have a check payment. Now something to keep in mind when I click place order, A check payment requires you to complete the order because you're waiting to receive funds. So with any payment method that does not allow instant completion of the order, you're going to have to take some additional steps, and I'll show you right now. So when I click place order, you'll see, yep, my order was created, order details. Now again, since I am running the premium version, the content that's associated with this product gets listed here. This does not appear if you're just using the free version. So if I go and I view this protected page, you're going to see it's still protected. And a lot of folks have, put in support tickets saying like, I placed the order and, the content is still restricted. This is because of that check process. So if we go in and we go to WooCommerce and we go to orders, we'll now see this order is on hold because we're waiting to receive funds. So once we go in there and we say, yes, this order is completed, I go to complete and I say update. And now if I would go back to my protected page and press refresh, you will see this content cannot be viewed unless they purchase the correct product. So it works swimmingly. And that's pretty much it. You can do this with any type of product and on any post or page. Again, I'll go through and just do one more just to show you folks. I'm going to go and I'm going to create a new product. Another digital product. And I'm going to make this virtual. Change that to $1 as well. I'm going to publish it. And this time I'm going to do it to a post. So we have the hello world, that's default. I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. Protected post. This content is protected. And then again, I'm going to select, I can either select my simple product, the one that I've already purchased, and I'm going to immediately have access to this since I've already purchased the simple product, or I'm going to just associate it with another digital product, and I'm going to click publish. I'm going to view. You'll see, oh snap, this is restricted content. I need to purchase another digital product. Add to cart, view cart, check out. You'll see here, again, check payments, place the order. Order is received. I go to protected post. It is still protected because that order is not completed. So I go back into my orders and I'm going to change the status from on hold to completed. And now I go and I refresh and here's my content. So that's it for this short video. Hope it helps a lot of people.